Are you a tall guy that likes to drive fast Hondas, so you need a seat that sits nice and low, but every once in a while your short friend wants to drive it too? Well, I got the solution for you. On project not so budget EK, I've been looking for a set of seat rails. Sometimes we make our own, but we decided to go with a already finished solution from Pro Car Innovation, PCI. They sent us over some of their low-rise, actually I don't know what it's called, low-rise seat rails. I think this is the perfect solution for me because for the most part I will be driving the car, but other people are known to, so adjusting the seat easily is nice. Got some instructions. I actually already put the driver's seat in. You probably saw it on our video, but these are the passenger rails. They're identical, just the opposite side. Comes with instructions and hardware. So these are our side brackets. This is for a side mount seat, like bucket seats, like Sparkos. I have a Momo in my car. These are our side brackets. Nicely power coded. PCI logo goes right in there. They send that with the hardware. Get these out. Woo! Got those out. Let me get the part that really matters. It's different for every car. Well, most cars. Get the hardware in here. All right, here is the base plate. So the way this works is, obviously this is the rear. You got your stock seatbelt mounting location if you want it for your buckle. The cool thing about these is they're reversible both in distance from the steering wheel, from the steering wheel they can mount, and the width of the seat. So these fit a pretty wide variety because they both have these slides built in here. This is where the 4 bolts for the seat rails go, 2 on either side. You can also take them. So this will bolt the seat in the wider position, so that way the mounting points are on the inside, helps widen these out. Or if you have a narrower seat, like most people do honestly, you get this. So you can actually work with a much narrower range, so it gives you a wider range to get your seat in. I think it fits anywhere from like 12 to 19-inch wide seats is what I read. And then also if you need to, depending on if you see the way these are cut, if you're tall, if you're short, you can use it to slide them all the way forward. If you're tall, flip them around, and you can use it to slide it all the way back, like I am. Now the other cool thing I like about these, especially if you have a narrow seat, you can get to the bolts here. If you notice, this is a slider, it's not stepped. The bolt is captive and comes up from the inside, and it holds itself in place as long as it has a little tension. So the cool thing about that is if you ever need to move a seat, you loosen all 4 of your nuts, and you can just slide it back and forth. Now it's not as nice as a seat slider, but if you're only letting a friend drive the car every once in a while, this is all you need while still keeping your seat as absolutely low as possible, which is something really important for me. I'm 6'1". I need my seat on the floor to fit in a Honda, even in EK hatch. I'm really close to the roof if you put seat rails. You add an extra inch here, that's a problem for me. So that's why this is a really good solution for tall guys that don't want to mount their seat straight to the floor like I usually do. This is good if somebody else wants to ever drive the car. Well, that's all you're getting from me today. It's too humid. There's your 3-Minute Thursday.